It looks nice. You know, the dent is not as bad in person, actually. So
you heard it here, folks.
Are you filming? Wow.
We just decided to use your stock cherry bomb.
Awesome.
I'm glad we did it. And the tires look pretty killer on it.
Yeah, they look really good.
Yeah.
It looks nice. You know, the dent is not as bad in person, actually. So
you heard it here, folks.
Are you filming?
That's what I was saying on the phone. I said, man, it kind of gives it a little bit of character. You know, you don't have to worry about trying to match the faded pace and the fresh paint.
I think because I've been driving her stick. I'm like,
yeah.
Right.
How long has it been?
It's been
3
since I drove this.
years later.
Almost a year.
Almost a year.
Almost a year. Yeah.
Well, go take her on her maiden
All right.
voyage.
Do it.
Just jump out on Old Seward. Got some power steering.
Wow, that is so different.
That's way different. That hill up there, yeah. Because mine, I would be in fourth gear and I'd have to downshift to third. It's a little faster.
Oh yeah. Wow. This is great. Yeah, wow. I used to be pretty big effort to get to 50.
Right. I think you're a fifth, huh? Hey, that's fourth, yeah. Yeehaw!
Oh, way better.
Way better. Yeah, that dent's not that bad.
I like it. Straight.
Yeah, let's go down where that Jeep just went. Then you can rally on the frontage road. This thing drives great, dude.
Wow, this is great. Oh man. This is exactly what was missing
Right.
with it last time.
Whenever I did my
Yeah.
swap, I was like, this is the way the Samurai should have been
Oh,
released with the 16V.
They need to come out with these again.
Right. Get on it.
Oh,
It's way different. Yes, sir.
take it off road now.
Well, we can. There's the Argo. This is where we smoked your hood. You know what it was? He hit that bump right there.
Right here?
That bump right there.
Oh, man. Nice.
Yeehaw. Boy, she must trust you to drive this thing home, huh?
That's my daughter. Yeah, she's like gone.
Oh yeah. How can you not smile? That thing gets it off.
Yeah, that's way better. Man. Oh. I am so happy. That's awesome.
Tell us all about this hood that's smoked.
See what had happened, see.
It really isn't that bad, but I mean, you know, gives it
You
character.
want to take it for a drive?
Did you?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
God
Set me
dang.
up, man. Oh, maybe you can't.
Good.
Good. That's an added feature.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that hood ain't going nowhere.
Right? And you guys are happy, and then boom. I was like, oh man.
Yeah, it was a total Debbie Downer when that happened.
Yeah.
Did
Did you work on this at all? Because it looks better in the picture.
So what I did
Okay.
was
We
I
massaged it a
just
little bit.
smacked it with
Okay.
a
Took me a
because
rubber
it was
band
worse.
inside.
But I own my mistakes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The ups and downs of this project was just like a sticking roller coaster, man.
Right.
Yeah, it was very emotional.
Yeah.
I wasn't
for
sleeping.
For
I didn't
us
sleep
too.
for months.
For us too. Trust me. We're all happy one minute, and then we're just down in the dumps the next.
I was so happy to get it running that day when we messed the hood up. I was just happy to get it running, and we were just elated. And I was just doing because it wasn't running right. It still had a vacuum leak, and so I just kept driving it around the building. And Kevin was inside working on something else. We were all off, but yeah, he jumps in the rig, and we take off, and totally just botched that. Lesson learned.
Dogs are going nuts.
Yeah. Yeah, I like them tires. I like the rims. It looks really good, dude.
I was so ecstatic that I was able to get a matching wheel for you because I didn't know. I'm like, God, what kind of wheels are those? So I'm looking at the center cap. Okay.
Way better. Yeah.
Okay, Vision. It's a Vision wheel. So I started Googling Vision wheels. Come to find out there's a distributor in
Way better.
in Washington. So I call them up. And,
Okay. Yeah.
hell yeah, they got it. I'm like, no way. Give me one. So yeah, now you can do a 5-tire rotation and the whole 9 yards.
Right on, man.
I'll keep my phone on.
Later, buddy.
Hey!
Hey, that wasn't us.
That was not me. That was not me.
That's funny.
Is it good now?
See, it can happen to anybody.
That's hilarious.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah.
Hope we can meet up.
Absolutely. Soon.
Hey, drive fast and take chances.
Oh, heck yeah. Absolutely. Like I stole it.
Yeah.
Alright, you got it.
You thought I was done with this? Nah, I'm pulling the transmission now. We don't know what happened, but he lost first through third gears, so I'm thinking the clutch got smoked somehow. All right, well, we're giving it back to Kyle 2.0. So I don't know. We haven't pulled the transmission apart, but we did pull the transmission out. We threw a new transmission in it, and so we're gonna give it back to him. I'm gonna follow him down the road and make sure he makes it out of town at least. All right, we out here.
More future samurai owners here.
All right, we got to find some more samurais out here.
Yep.
All right, guys, we out. See you, cop. Drive fast, take chances.